Hello campers, just going to run through the new Bluetti Swapsolar product, the AC180T and the combo cooler. I'm just going to do a quick run around. So here's the unit here. It's a total of 1433 watt hours, split over 2 batteries and an 1800 watt inverter, and the biggest change of course is the swappable batteries. A big change and some good advantages. Let's see if we can see. So we can see they're fully charged or nearly fully charged. How's this one going? That one as well. That's interesting. Okay, close that down. The batteries are 8.5 kilograms each, so pretty relatively easy to move around on their own, making the unit very easy to move if you need to. So what have we got here? So I'll just point out, I've had the fridge on all night long. I turned it on at 9:30 last night, filled it up, got it to temperature, and then turned it on and left it on all night, and it's used 12% in that time. So that's, I don't know, I think that's pretty good. Bluetti claims one battery in the fridge should last 3 days. So be interesting to see how that goes. I won't be testing it for that long, that's for sure. Okay, let's see. So what's in the box? A fairly long solar cable, about 2 meters long, with the XT60 end on it. A pretty short but chunky and looks like a good quality car charging cable, and the AC charging cable. No brick on this unit. So what's different? Yep, the batteries, the XT60 input, very handy. That's probably enough. So what have we got here? We got two 230 volt AC outlets. We've got two USB-Cs, two USB-As. Got the 12 volt outlet. So that's probably about it. And for charging wise, we have the AC obviously, and it will take I think up to 500 watts of solar, but a pretty limited range of voltages, so you'd want to go fairly large with your solar panels, but make sure you stay under that OCV, that 60 maximum. What else is there? That's probably enough. What else? Oh yes, so you can charge via the car as well. And of course you can charge via a generator that's suitable. So charging rates, we'll just have a look at charging rates. So this one has got 3 AC charging rates. So it's got silent, standard and turbo. We might just have a look at them in a minute. But before we do that, we'll just have a look at the screen. Nice LCD screen there, nice and bright. A few little things are lit up already. You can see 2 batteries are in there, 2 battery packs are in there. It's Bluetooth is enabled. What else? There's DC output at the moment. So whenever anything's happening, it'll have all of this information around the outside, as well as the main ones on the inside there. So that's pretty handy. And you can change some settings via this screen, or you can do it via the app. So the way to go into the settings here is hold DC and AC down at the same time, and you can scroll through all of the things that you can change in here. When you want to change something, and just hit the AC button and have a look at the choices. So that was powerlifting mode we just saw there. Eco, Bluetooth, won't be changing that. Okay, so we can come out of there. Good. Right, we'll have a look at the charging modes. Sorry for the shaking around here. So what do we got here? It's charging there at, ooh, that's fairly high. Must be on turbo or something, or standard. So you can hear the fans start up a bit. The other fan is the AC 200 Max in the background. Sorry about that. Right, we'll just have a look at the app and see what we can change here. So, and we can see we're in standard charging mode there. So we'll just turn it down. Oh, here we go. So we'll stick it down to silent. Okay, you can see you can hear the fan just slow down then, and we're taking 740 odd in silent mode. Right, let's see if we can do. Stick it on turbo. And up at 1440 watts. So all of these stats are inside the user guide, but it thought it'd be good that people could see it and hear the fan. So that's much quieter than certainly the brick, but you would use turbo very seldom, and when silent's on you'll hardly hear it. Okay, and that's back to silent, and as you can see, as you can hear, you can hardly hear it. Okay. Alright, what else? That's probably enough, I think. Not sure what I've missed. I'm sure somebody will let me know that I've missed something they're interested in. And now we'll do the fridge cooler.